Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your workshop to produce suitably configured invoices. Firstly, once you have logged into MechanicDesk, navigate to the Settings tab. Beneath that is the Workshop Details tab, and here you will see all of your workshop details. To add your logo, click on the logo link here. Select Choose File and you will be able to select an item from your computer's drive. Once completed, click Save. For workshop and contact details, please select the Workshop Information section here and enter in your details such as name, ABN and ACN. Once you have entered this information, please don't forget to hit Save. In the Contact Details field, please input your phone number, fax, as well as address and email address, etc., and hit Save. Please be aware that if you have selected a logo, your workshop name will not appear on invoices. To specify the next invoice number, please do so here. Beneath this is the invoice footer section where you can add banking details, etc. To include advertising on your invoice, please select where it shows No Invoice Ad here and select Choose File to select a file from your drive. In the Invoice Templates section, there is a list of templates you can choose from. Please choose one to your liking, or if you require template customization, please send these requests to our support email alongside your workshop ID. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact the MechanicDesk support team.